Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class we'll be talking about the house orders method for reducing matrix to a tridiagonal matrix. Now when you are told to reduce a matrix to tridiagonal matrix, you can use this house orders method. Are you seeing that? Now what does that mean? It means you want this your A31 and your A13, you want them to be 0, and this is a diagonal matrix. This our A11, A22 and A33 are diagonal. Then if they are diagonal, that means this A21 and A32 will also be diagonal, and then this A22 and this A33 will also be. So the only thing that will be 0 is this A31 and this A13. Are you following that now? All right, so that is the thing that we want to do in this method. Are you seeing that? Now what does the method say? The goal is to create a matrix B which is equal to what? PAP. Your P is a matrix that will be gotten using the house orders method. Then you multiply by your A and the P again. The new matrix B that is formed is now your what? Your new tridiagonalized matrix. Are you following that now? All right, so that is what we want to do in this video. So to get your P, the formula is what? 1 minus what? 2 WT. Now you are going to create a W. I get what I'm saying? You are going to create a W which is what? 0 x2 x3, a column matrix. Are you seeing that now? So you're going to create that column matrix, and then the transpose is what you see beside it here. Are you seeing that now? All right, so we have, how do you get your x2? Your x2 will be gotten by what? X2 squared equals to what? 1 over 2 open bracket 1 plus or minus. Now you can see I said plus or minus here. The reason why I'm putting plus or minus there is because the value of your A21, is dependent on the sign that your A21 carries. Are you seeing that? If your A21 is less than, so if A21 is less than 0, that means here you are going to use negative. Are you seeing? But if your A21 is greater than what? Than 0, that means you are going to use what? Plus. Are you following that now? So that is why you can see that I wrote plus or minus here. So the sign of your A21 will determine the sign that will goes with that. All right, so our x3 is, so in essence I can say x2. If I don't want to say x2 squared, that means I can say x2 is equal to what? To the square root of what we have here. Are you seeing that now? So you can write it any way you want. You can say x equals to square root of 1 over 2 open bracket 1 plus or minus A21 over x1, but you can use it as what? As s2 square. Also just know that at the end you will have to square root both sides. All right, so to get our x3 is what? A13 multiplied by what? The sign of what? The signum of what? Of your A1. Are you seeing that now? The signum of your what? Of your A12. The signum of your what? Of your A12. Then over what? 2 multiplied by s1 x2, the value of the x2 that you got here. I got what I'm saying? Using this formula, you now impute it into this place, and that is what we are going to be doing. All right, so now let's see example. This is where we are going to understand. So let's say we have A equals to the matrix 1 4 3 1 4 3 4 1 2 and 3 2 1. Now we want to reduce this matrix using the house orders method. Are you seeing that now? So the first thing you need to do is to what? Is to create W. You want to create W which is what? 0 x2 x3, and the transpose will be what? 0 x2 and what? x3. Are you seeing that now? Don't forget that these are the things that you want to create, you want to find first. So now let's first get our x2. Our x2 is what? So our x2 is 1 over x2 squared, 1 over 2 multiplied by what? 1 plus or minus what? 1 plus or minus a21. Let me change. So we have a21 over what? s1. This a21 over x1. So that is what we want to do. Don't mind my pen. Over s1. All right. So first, let's get our s1. Don't forget, I said s1 is equal to what? To the square root of what? a21 squared plus what? a31 squared. That means the you have a colon matrix here. Are you seeing that now? So your 1 is already becoming 0 at this side. So to get your this thing, you are going to use this 4 and 3. Are you seeing that? You are going to use 4 and 3. Just note that. So that means our s here is going to be what? Square root of what? 4 squared plus what? Plus 3 squared, and that will give us what? 5. Are you seeing that now? 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Are you seeing that now? I have gotten my s. So now I need to get my x2 now. So x2 squared, which is equal to 1 over 2. You can see now 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Now what is the sign beside my a21 here? You can see that my a21 here is what? Is 4. Are you seeing that my a21 is what? Is 4. That means it is positive. So this will be plus what? What's the value of your a21? 4. Our a21 is what? 4 over, what's our s1 that we got? Our s1 is what? 5. Are you seeing that now? So then we are going to come again. So that will now give us x2 squared equal to what? 1 over 2 into bracket 1 plus 4 over 5. That will give us what? 9 over 5. Are you seeing that? That will give us 9 over 5. And if you multiply that, you will have what? 9 over 10. Are you seeing that now? That means our x now will now become the square root of this value. Are you seeing that? Square root of what? 9 over 10. And that means we have what? 3 over root 10. Do you understand how I got my x2 now? So this is the value of my x2. So therefore x2 is equal to what? 3 over what? Over root 10. So let's just leave that way. Are you seeing that? All right. So now the next thing you want to do now is to get your x3. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now to get your x3, how will you get your x3? I gave you the formula already. To get our x3, the formula is what? A13. Are you seeing that? A13. Don't forget that your goal is to reduce this to 0 and this towards 0. So you have A13 multiplied by what? The signum of what? Of A multiplied by the signum of what? The signum of A12. Are you seeing that? The signum of A12 over what? Over 2 multiplied by what? S1 x2. Now look at what that would be. That will now become x3 equal to, what's your A13 here? Your A13 is what? Is 3. I'm sure you know that. So A13 is equal to what? 3 multiplied by the signum of A12. What's A12 here? 4. And you know that the signum of a positive number is what? Is 1. Are you seeing that now? The signum of a positive number is what? Is 1. The signum of a negative number is minus 1. Are you seeing that? Signum of positive 1, signum of negative minus 1. So this one is what? Is 1. Are you seeing that now? Over 2 multiplied by what? What's our S1? Our S1 is what? 5. Then multiply by what? What's our x2? The value of our x2 is what? 3 over what? Over root 10. let's just manage that part. I'll rewrite them now. So we have, that means our x3 here will become what? Our x3 will become 3 all over 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3, that's what? 30 over what? Over root 10. Are you seeing that now? That's what we are going to have, 30 over root 10. So you can say 3 here 1, 3 here 10. Are you seeing that? Then I will have what? x3 to be equal to what? 10. 1 over, so we have 1 over 10 over root 10. That's the inverse, and that means I will have what? Root 10 over what? Over 10 as my answer. Yes or yes? So my answer is what? Root 10 over 10. So therefore you can see now that our x2 is what? 3 over root 10, and then our x3 is what? Root 10. Our x3 is what? Root 10 over what? Over 10. You see now, that means our w is now what? Is now 0. I see. Don't forget that it is of this form. Don't forget your w is of this form. This form here. Are you seeing that now? So you want to form that value now. So that will be 0. Are you seeing that? So that's 0. What's your x2 now? x2 is what? 3 over what? Over root 10. Then x3 is what? Root 10. I think root 10. Let's root 10 over 10. Are you seeing that now? So this is the value of your w now. Now we are just getting started. I think you don't need to be tired. This is the interesting part now. So we have our w already. Our w is what? 0, 3 over root 10, and then what? Root 10 over 10. Are you seeing that now? Then what will now be the transpose? The transpose will now be what? The transpose will now be 0. Are you seeing that? 0. Then what? 3 over what? Over root 10. Then what? Then 10. Then root 10. Root 10 over 10. I see. This will be the transpose of our w. Now the next stage, if you see here, I said the next stage now is for you to solve p now. I get what I'm saying. So you want to do p, you want to get the value of your p, which is what? 1 minus 2 w transpose. So that means you have to do your w transpose. So if you want to do, so let me write the formula here. Our p, we want to get p now, which is equal to what? 1 minus what? 2 w transpose. Are you seeing that? So let's first do our w transpose first. So w transpose, that will give us what? 0, 3 over root 10, then what? Then root 10 over 10. Are you seeing that now? I want to multiply this with this row matrix. 0, 3 over what? Over root 10. Then what? Then root 10 over what? Over 10. Are you seeing? Now if you multiply this together, it will give you 3 by 3 matrix. I'm sure you know that. If you multiply this together, so 0 times 0, 0 times 0 will give you what? 0. 0 times 3 over 10, 0. 0 times 10 over this. Let me clear this part. So this is 0. Then this is also 0. I see now. Now 3 over root 10 times 0. That will also give you 0. 3 over root 10 times 3 over root 10. That will give you what? 9 over 10. I'm sure you know. Then 3 over root 10 times 10 times root 10 over 10. That will give you what? 3 over 10. Are you seeing that? I'm sure you understand what I am doing. Then now we are done with the second row now. Now the third row, root 10 over 10 multiplied by 0. That will also give us 0. root 10 multiplied by 3 over 10, that will, this one multiplied by this, that will also give us what? That will also give us 3 over 10. Are you seeing that? So you should be doing yours too. That will give you 3 over 10, and then this one multiplied by this will give us 1 over 10. Are you seeing that now? So this is our w theta. So that means 2 w theta. 2 w theta. Don't forget that this is the, you still want to do p. This is our goal. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is our goal. So I'm just doing them small. Sure you get the idea now? So 2 multiplied by the value here, 2 multiplied by this value, that will give us what? 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 we divide 10, so that will be what? 9 over what? Over 5. Then this will be what? 3 over 5. This will be what? 0. This will be what? 3 over 5. And this will be what? 1 over 5. Do you copy that now? So that is our 2 w theta. I see. Now I want to do, don't forget that what we are doing is, what we want to do now is what? Is p minus what? 2 w theta. This your one here is the same thing as identity, and don't forget that identity. So this are our p minus, and p equal to 1 minus 2 w theta, w transpose will now be, don't forget, this your one here is the same thing as identity. So that means your p is what? Is identity of 3 by 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Are you seeing that now? Minus our value that we got here, which is what? 0 0 0 0 9 over 5, 9 over 5, 3 over 5. Then what? 0 3 over 5. Don't mind my writing. 3 over 5. Then what? 1 over 5. I seen that. So now you want to do the subtraction of this. So let me do that here before I go to next page. Let's just finish it here so that we will copy this value to the next part. So if you do that, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, that will give us 1. Then the others is 0 0. I seen that now. Then 0, 1 minus 9 over 5, that will give us 5 times 1, 5. 5 minus 9, minus 4 over 5. So this is minus 4 over 5. Then what now? The next one now is 0 minus 3 over 5, that will give us minus 3 over 5. I seen that, minus 3 over 5. Then now 0 minus 0, that's 0. Then 0 minus 3 over 5, that will also give us minus 3 over 5. Then 1 minus 1 over 5, that will give us what? 4 over 5. Are you seeing now? This is your p now. So now the final stage, which is what? You want to form what? B equal to what? P A P. Are you seeing that? You want to do B equal to what? P A P, and that is the value of our tridiagonalized matrix. So that means our B will be what? What's the value of our P? Our P is what? We've gotten that, so you can rewind the video to get our P. We've gotten our P to be what? 1 0 0. That's the value of our P, 1 0 0, that we've got. The value that we got here, 1 0 0 0 4 over 5. I mean 0 minus 4 over 5 minus 3. I'm talking about this value here. This value here. So 1 0 0. Then what? 0 minus 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. I seen that. Then what? 0 minus 3 over 5. Then what? 4 over 5. as in, so this is our P multiplied by our A, the value of our A that we are given in the question. Don't forget, the value of our A here is what? 143. This is our A, the matrix that we are solving. 143, 412, 321. So that's 1. Let me write that here. 143, 412, then what? 321. All right. Then multiply by your P again, which is what? 100, 0 minus 4 over 5, minus 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5, then 0 minus 3 over 5 minus 3 over 5, then what? 4 over 5. This 4. Now this is where you will now apply multiplication of what? Matrix. First you will do this and this together. I get what I'm saying. You will do this and this together, the value that you get, then you now multiply it with this. Are you following? First you do PA. Once you do your PA, the answer you get, you multiply it with this your P again, and that will give us the final answer. So do this and you will get this value. Comment in the comment section if you get the value. You will get 1 minus 5. That's the value you have. 1 minus 5, 0, then minus 5, 73 over 25, then what? Minus 14 over 25, then 0, then minus 14 over 25, and then minus 23 over 25. So this is the final answer as required. You can see that we've been able, if you follow me from the beginning, you see that we've been able to reduce this to 0. Are you seeing that now? And this side to also what? 0. So you get, so now it is done. Are you seeing that now? So let me quickly take you through the process again. The first thing you do, your goal is to get, your goal is that what? You want to get this this value B equal to what? PAP. But to get your P, you need this formula in this box. You need it to get your P, and to get this your P, you need what? This W, which will be formed like this. And to get your x2 and x3, you need this value and you need this value. To get s1 that is here, you need this value. You can see that everything is connected. Sure, you get the idea. And don't forget what I told you up here. The value, the signum of your value, the sign that will follow it is dependent on the coefficient value. I get what I'm saying? The sign in front of your A21. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right. So before you go, let me give you an assignment so that you can also try it and see that you will get the correct answer. All right. So now let's say we have a matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 1, then minus 1, 2 minus 1, then what? Minus 1 minus 1, 2. Yes, so do this. This is a very simple one. Do that and then let us know if you have questions. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right.